5 variables that will affect the purchase price if you decide to buy an adult day center. Number 1 is the assets. What assets come with the business? Is there real estate? Is there kitchen equipment? What are the assets? Number 2, what is your new debt service? Do you plan on taking out a loan? How much of a down payment? And are you going to maybe ask for seller financing? Number 3 is, by adding this new debt, can you still operate the business with a profit and be cash flow positive? Number 4, is there potential upside? Is the business maxed out in regards to revenue, or do you have the ability to grow the business by 50 to 100%? Number 5, is your plan to come in as an active investor or as a passive investor? Understanding your role in these variables will help you evaluate and come up with the appropriate purchase price to buy your first adult day center.